OCTA Research data shows that the average number of new daily cases in Metro Manila in the last 7 days is 1,099. This is still far from the pre-COVID-19 surge status of 400 new daily cases in February. Thus, the group of experts recommends to extend the general community quarantine status over Greater Manila area for June.
While we believe that we can relax restrictions, we think that we should try to retain the GCQ at this time because the cases are still significant.
OCTA adds the average weekly COVID-19 cases in NCR is 80% lower than the average during the peak of the COVID-19 surge in April. However, the public should not be complacent and should keep on strictly adhering to the health protocols because Metro Manila will always be at risk for another surge due to new and more infectious coronavirus variants. Meanwhile, the OCTA Research supports the efforts of the government to prioritize the NCR Plus 8 areas in the vaccination rollout, particularly in Metro Manila, Pampanga, Bulacan, Rizal, Cavite, Laguna, Batangas, Metro Cebu, and Metro Davao, which are the COVID-19 hotspots in the country. Though herd immunity in the Philippines is hard to achieve this year, herd immunity can still be targeted over the NCR Plus areas before December 25, 2021. This through vaccinating the 70% adult population of the NCR Plus 8 areas for the next 6 months, or equivalent to 25.9 million Filipinos.
We should be vaccinating in the NCR Plus 8 between 200,000 to 300,000 doses per day for the 6-month period beginning in June 1st.
Containment of COVID-19 is possible by October, and the risk of COVID-19 surge will be eliminated in NCR Plus 8 areas if the country will be able to inoculate an average of 250,000 doses per day. OCTA says achieving herd immunity over the NCR Plus 8 areas before December 25, 2021 will be beneficial for the whole country.
There is a global shortage of vaccines, and so this will allow us to optimize the deployment of the scarce vaccines. The NCR Plus 8, these are the hottest areas of the pandemic in our country. This is the head of the snake. And if we cut off the head, then it's the head that is feeding the surges nationally.
Vaccine SAR National Task Force Against COVID-19 Chief Implementer Secretary Carlito Galvez has mentioned before that the government is eyeing to administer 120,000 doses a day in Metro Manila alone once bulk of vaccine supplies arrive in the country. Rosa Licoz, UNTV News and Rescue. We serve the people, we give glory to God.